Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, I want to let you know all my videos are what I cook for dinner. I want to use them to demonstrate the principles of my fast cooking system. In this video, this dish is a demonstration of an improvisation of a dish based on what I had. Well, I always had some ground pork in the freezer, and I discovered some cabbage salad that my son left unfinished. I also found some chopped scallion, and I'm ready to put this dish together, which I was confident that it would turn out well. And for those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, I'm using my Cucina 14-inch stainless steel wok. I'm going to use about 8 ounces of ground pork. I freeze them in this size in a Ziploc bag in a very thin layer, so I could thaw them out in about 10 minutes. Oh, I apologize for the debris in the wok because I used the wok to cook another dish before I cooked this dish. Cooking the ground pork like this in the wok is very fast. It usually takes less than a minute. The brown coloration in the bottom of the wok apparently comes from the fat of the pork. I use the wok spatula to scrape them off. The ground pork is great for cooking this type of dish. They are more flavorful than ground beef, and they also char nicely in the wok, giving them a crispy texture. I use ground pork in many of my dishes to serve as a condiment. They add wonderful flavors and texture to vegetable dishes as well as to tofu dishes. In my opinions, they are more flavorful and interesting than chicken or beef. And many people who told me that after they try ground pork in their stir fry, they start to use it regularly. You can season the ground pork in many different ways. However, I'm going to season it here with a combination of oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. I find the combination of these two sauces are very convenient to create the types of flavor that my family enjoys most. You can buy ground pork plain or ground pork sausage. I would recommend that you buy the plain ground pork. You will find it more flexible to season it to your preference. The shredded cabbage actually comes in a salad kit that my son brought. He ate some of them and forgot the rest. I was very glad to find it because it is already shredded, perfect for this dish. I did a taste test and decided to add some more oyster sauce to give it a stronger flavor. I also add some minced garlic to enhance the flavor. I purchased this minced garlic from Sam's Club that is pre-minced. Well, of course, I prefer fresh garlic, but this is not too far off the mark. It definitely is easier. And finally, I found some scallions, which is always great to provide a finished touch to any dish. So I definitely would not recommend to overcook the scallion because you want them to provide a fresh taste to the dish. Okay, now the dish is done, and the total cook time is a little bit less than 5 minutes. So what is the verdict? The dish actually turned out much better than expected. The ground pork actually is slightly crunchy and almost tasting like a bacon bit. They provide a perfect contrast to the soft texture of the shredded cabbages. The small amount of fat from the ground pork providing a velvety coating for the cabbages. I love surprises in my home cooking, and I love to create something that I have never tried before, and template-based cooking is perfect for that. Finally, I garnished the dish with some additional oyster sauce to jazz it up a little. I think you probably would agree with the saying that when food looks good, also tastes better. Well, this dish actually is entirely an improvisation. But it's not a big jump from the basic template, and I think that most people would prefer template-based cooking over recipe-based cooking. You have more fun in exploring and finding something new each time when you cook. We ate this dish over rice, but my son mentioned that this would also be great as fillings for tortillas. Well, good idea. Maybe I will try that next. Well, give this dish a try. If you find a better way to serve this dish, please let me know. I'm always looking for ideas. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.